What if I told you there's a way to make $2,000 a day without lifting a finger? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to reveal the secret to getting rich with affiliate marketing. And it's easier than you think. I'll show you how to earn money while you sleep, and the best part, anyone can do it. Are you ready to unlock the hidden potential of passive income? Let's dive in. The magic of affiliate marketing. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to make money out of thin air? Well, affiliate marketing is like having a magic money-making machine. It's a way to earn cash without creating your products or dealing with customers. You just connect people with stuff they want, and you get paid for it. It's like being a matchmaker, but for products and buyers. And the best part? You can do it all from your couch. Affiliate marketing is super easy. You find products you like, tell others about them. And when they buy, you get a cut of the money. It's like getting a thank you gift for recommending something cool to your friends. You don't have to worry about making things, shipping them, or dealing with angry customers. You just share links and watch the money roll in. It's so simple, even your pet could do it if they had thumbs. Imagine waking up to find out you made money while you were dreaming. That's the magic of affiliate marketing. You can earn cash 24/7, even when you're not working. It's like having a bunch of little elves working for you all the time, bringing in money while you relax. And the more you set up, the more you can earn. It's like planting money trees that keep growing and giving you cash forever. Finding the perfect products. Now, let's talk about finding the right products to promote. It's like going on a treasure hunt, but instead of gold, you're looking for things that will make you rich. The secret is to find products that lots of people want, and that pay you a lot of money when someone buys them. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving the mystery of what people want to buy. Look for products that cost at least $500. Why? Because if you get half of that when someone buys, you're making $250 for doing almost nothing. That's like finding a $250 bill on the ground every time someone clicks your link and buys something. And if you can get just one person to buy each day, you're making way more than $2,000 a day. It's like having a money fountain in your backyard. Websites like Digistore24.com and ClickBank.com are like big toy stores for affiliate marketers. They have tons of products you can promote. Just sign up, pick a product you like, and they give you a special link. This link is like a magic wand. When people use it to buy stuff, you get paid. It's so easy, it's almost like cheating at making money. Creating content that sells now. Let's talk about how to tell people about these products without being annoying. You don't want to be that person who's always trying to sell stuff to their friends. Instead, you want to be the cool friend who knows about all the awesome things. The secret is to make videos that people want to watch. It's like being a TV star, but you get to do it from your bedroom. First, find out what people are interested in. Look at popular YouTube channels in your niche and see what videos get the most views. It's like being a spy, but instead of secret information, you're looking for video ideas. Write down the titles of the most popular videos. These are like clues that tell you what people want to watch. It's so easy. It's almost like cheating at coming up with ideas. Now, take those ideas and make them your own. Watch the popular videos and write down the main points in your own words. It's like playing a game of telephone, but you're making the message even better. Add your thoughts and research to make your content unique. You're not copying, you're improving. It's like taking the recipe and adding your secret ingredient to make it even tastier. Making videos the easy way. You don't need fancy equipment to make great videos. All you need is your computer and some free tools. Use Google Slides to make simple but eye-catching presentations. Add some cool pictures from free websites like Pixabay or Pexels. To record your video, use a free tool called OBS. Just talk over your slides and record your screen. If you don't like the sound of your voice, no problem. You can hire someone cheap from Fiverr or Upwork to do the talking for you. Uploading and optimizing your videos. Now that you've got your video, it's time to share it with the world. Upload it to YouTube and make sure to put your special money-making link in the description and comments. This is how people will find the product you're promoting. Do this 3 times a week, and before you know it, you'll have lots of videos out there working for you. Each video is like a little employee, trying to make you money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The math behind the magic. Let's do some fun math to see how this all adds up. Don't worry, it's easy math. No calculators needed. Imagine each of your videos gets 1,000 views every month. That's like having 1,000 people visit your lemonade stand every month. Now, if just a tiny fraction of those people, let's say 0.4, buy the product you're recommending, that's 57 sales per month. If the product costs $1,000 and you get half of that, you're making $28,500 a month. That's way more than $2,000 a day. It's like having a money tree that grows $100 bills instead of leaves. And remember, this is just 1 year of making videos. Imagine if you kept going for 2 years, or 5, or 10. You'd have so much money, you wouldn't know what to do with it all. Bonus tips for even more money. Want to know how to make even more money? Here are some secret bonus tips. First, look for products that people pay for every month, like software. It's like getting a birthday present every single month. Second, use cool software to make your videos even better. You can make whiteboard animations or screen recordings to spice things up. It's like being a movie director, but way easier. And here's the ultimate lazy tip. Once you start making money, hire other people to do the work for you. You can get people to find ideas, write scripts, make videos, and create thumbnails. It's like being the boss of your movie studio, but you get to sit back and watch the money roll in. You can use a tool called Trello to keep track of everything. It's like having a super organized assistant who never forgets anything. So there you have it. The secret to making $2,000 a day with affiliate marketing. It's all about finding the right products, making cool videos, and letting the internet do the work for you. Remember, the key is to keep making videos. Each one is like planting a money seed that can grow and pay you for years to come. Now, we want to hear from you. What product would you like to promote? What kind of videos do you think you'd make? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you like this video and want to learn more secrets about making money online, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Who knows, the next one might be the key to your financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, the secret to getting rich is right at your fingertips. All you have to do is reach out and grab it.